Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Kia Optima FE. That is sounding smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. And this vehicle does have a lot of LEDs, and if any of them appear to be flickering, that is a refresh rate of the camera. They don't flicker at all to the human eye. See, it does have painted alloy wheels and tint all the way around. So it does have charcoal colored fabric seats. Here's a shot of the VIN right here, and I will upload some still photos of these as well. Okay, and as you look down here, you'll see that it has 39,353 miles on this vehicle. And then you got your push to talk, blind spot monitor, cruise control, and other stereo controls. And then down here you've got a key fob. And then right here, here's your stereo. And your stereo has AM and FM, and then you're also going to have Bluetooth. And then with your phone, once it's connected, you can do Android Auto or Apple Carplay. Android Auto is the one that I use on my daily driver for navigation and such. Great app. Then you got your setup with your display and screensaver and such. If you want to see the backup camera, we pop it in reverse. There's your backup camera with backing guides. Then as you come down here, you can see that you can actually go directly to radio or to home or whatever it may be, not just the touch screen. And your comfort controls. And down here you've got your 12 volt power, another 12 volt power, USB and auxiliary ports as well. Shifter, cup holders, your drive mode. And your drive mode can go from eco to sport to comfort. So coming down here you have additional stowage, and then your rear view mirror, and then of course you got your map reading lights and sunglass holder. That about wraps it up for this Kia on the interior. This vehicle does have a branded title. There is an impact here on the front passenger quarter panel. The airbag's deployed, but there was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed a 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.